Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix my quick add on Snapchat. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your app store and on the search bar simply type in Snapchat and check to see if that app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so just simply updating the app will probably fix the issue. Now if that still doesn't fix the issue, then the next thing that you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down, then tap on general. Once you're inside your general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside iPhone storage, scroll down and then find Snapchat and then tap on it. And once you're inside here, tap on offload app. What this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issue that you are facing. And once the process is complete, tap on delete app. And once that process is complete, that's basically how to fix my quick add-on Snapchat. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.